Good morning, kids. Welcome back to the class of computers. Well, in the last class, we have seen about ethics in computing, and in that, we have studied about cyberbullying and hacking. In hacking, I'll repeat once again, a hacker is a person who breaks into a computer system for the purpose of fixing flaws within the system and for improving security. While a person who does hacking is called a hacker or a cracker. Now, today we are going to see how to avoid hacking or cracking. Keep your operating system and web browser updated to the latest version. Old version may not loopholes that could be easily misused. The latest updates are upgrade to handle the latest security challenges. A firewall. You might have heard about firewall. Well, a firewall is a network security program to keep a check on incoming and outgoing information. Install a firewall on your computer and update it regularly to protect your computer from hacking. The next is antivirus program. Is used to prevent, detect and remove malicious software. Some example are Norton. The spyware program. Survey your internet behavior and copies your password to use them for illegitimate purpose. Install an anti-spyware program in your system and update the same regularly. Some tips I would like to give you. Never open an email from an unknown person. Just delete it. Well, or change your password frequently to keep financial accounts secure. This is very important tip. Well, the next is phishing. Well, it is a term used to type of internet fraud that aims to trick people into revealing sensitive information like their credit card number and password. It can be done to steal important information from popular websites like Facebook, Twitter, eBay, and etc. Phishing may be conducted through forged emails and claims and appear to be sent by well-known organizations and also through websites and claim and appear to belong a well-known organizations while they are not. Well, phishing damage caused may range from blocked access to one email account to several financial losses. How to avoid phishing? Always check the source of information in the incoming email. Note that banks will never ask you to send your password or personal information by email. If you have any doubt, always clarify. Learn to identify the phishing emails. They appear to come from a website similar to the original one but with duplicate image and name of the real company. These emails often promote gifts and the user into revealing their private credentials. You might have heard that you got so many times a message that your number is selected for 50,000 or 90,000, but those are all the fraud messages. You have won 10,000 in an online lottery. Never go to websites of banks by clicking on links, including email. Well, enter your sensitive data only in secure websites. The URL of a secure website starts with a HTTPS. This is an important tip, kids. Always do remember, whenever you type your any detail of banks and all, just check whether the website starts from HTTPS or not, where S stands for secure, and your browser shows an icon of a closed locked. Next is spamming. Well, a spam refers to any unsolicited and unwanted email. It may carry advertisement or serve as a mean of spreading malware such as a virus and a worms. The problem caused by spamming are wastage of the user's time in reading unwanted emails, wastage of network, bandwidth, and danger of getting malware infection. Getting malware infection. Spamming can be inflicted in the following terms. Email spoofing. Well, what's this? Sending email that appears to have originated from one source when it was actually sent from the another source. Like if you get an email from the fraud people by saying they are from the Airtel company or they are from the State Bank, they are just there for email spoofing. Next is email bombing. Repeatedly sending the same email to a particular address. Flooding. Sending several requests to a computer resource that it can handle, resulting in denial of access to service to authorized user. How to avoid spam? Do not give your email address to unknown people. Do not enter your email address to unreliable websites. Use the spam filter of your email program to block unwanted emails. Delete spam mails without reading them. As you can see, the image appears in front of you, shows a spam. When you will open your email ID, you will see a box saying there spam mails. Don't read them, just click and try to delete. Privacy. Whenever we heard this term, we directly go into in privacy, right? Isn't it? Well, individual right to privacy. A person has the right to determine what sort of information about him, her is collected and how that information is used. A person also has the right to review his or her own personal information and modify it if required according to him. How to protect online privacy? It's very important because now today in our day-to-day life we are not very conscious about this. We share it very easily, but we need to secure it because it's again a way of a hacking. You can protect your online privacy by disabling the cookies in the web browser being used. A cookie is a small program that collects the information of your online activity and report back to the host. This information is used for marketing purpose. You can set the privacy level in social media websites. This setting provides security levels such as share everything, share with friends, etc. Kids, if you open your Facebook, you will see there so many options. Like if you upload your Facebook image, it shows you different options. Whether you want to keep it public, share with friends, or share with friends of friends. From that, you can control your privacy. Well, the Children Online Privacy Protection Act, there is an act against it. In short, it's called as a COPPA. It is a law created to protect the privacy of children under 13 years ago. According to this act, a website operator should seek verification of information of children from their parents or guardian An operator should also check or work according to the privacy policy mentioned in the Act. Well, kids, this was all about privacies. Now, in the next class, we'll see about software privacy, which is again a very important one. Thank you.